ask you, once you have decluttered your home,
Yeah.
and decluttering and organizing, can you explain the differences and why it would be a benefit for someone who is getting ready to list their home for sale?
Yes. So decluttering really is just getting rid of things that you don't use, that you don't need, that you don't like. Organizing is what you do with the rest of that stuff that you end up keeping. So just because you get rid of a lot of stuff when you declutter doesn't mean you're any more organized necessarily. You may have less things to categorize and tidy up and clean up around, but you're not necessarily organized. So organizing is really where you go in and start incorporating systems to make your space more efficient, to help you store more things in that space if you need to really help you stay organized in the long run. So the categories that you set up, the products that maybe you install to keep you organized, that's really what organizing is about. Decluttering is just the act of getting rid of some stuff that you own.